In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a receipt or bill and record it as an expense in Zoho Books. Let's get started right from the Zoho Books dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the main navigation panel on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see several modules like sales and banking. For this process, we're going to work inside the purchases section because that's where bills and expenses are managed. Go ahead and click on purchases to open up the purchase-related options. After clicking purchases, a list of subsections will appear, such as expenses, vendor credits, and bills. Since we're focusing on turning your receipts or bills into recorded expenses, you'll want to choose the bills section. Click on bills, and this will take you to the main bills page, where you can see all of your existing bills along with their status, dates, and amounts. This is also where you'll be able to bring in new bills from your files. On the Bills page, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice an icon with 3 vertical dots, often called the More Options menu. This is where Zoho Books keeps some additional actions that aren't shown as big buttons. Click on these 3 dots to open a small drop-down menu. From that drop-down, select the option labeled Import Bills. This tells Zoho Books that you want to bring in bill information from a file on your computer instead of typing everything in manually. When you click Import Bills, you'll be taken to the import screen, where Zoho Books walks you through the process step by step. On the import screen, you'll see a button that says Choose File, or something similar depending on your browser. Click on Choose File to open a file picker window. From here, locate the file that contains your bill or receipt details. This might be a PDF, an image, or more commonly a spreadsheet or CSV file exported from another system. Select the correct file from your computer and confirm. Once your file is selected, follow the on-screen prompts provided by Zoho Books. These prompts typically include choosing the file format, matching the columns in your file to the fields in Zoho Books, and confirming that everything looks correct before importing. Take your time here and double check that important fields like vendor name, date, month, date, amount, and tax details are mapped properly. When you're happy with the preview, complete the import. Your bills will then be created in Zoho Books, and those bills will represent your recorded expenses, ready for review and reporting.